Deepika and you're watching Wonder Fairy. Today I'm gonna share a few medicinal values of henna. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Let's get started. Lawsonia innamis. This is the botanical name of henna. The moment I said henna, you could feel that happiness in yourself, right? Yeah, because we used to have mehendis on our hand during various occasions, and of course we are celebrating a separate ritual called mehendi function before wedding, and we are having a lot of fun in that. Apart from all these funny activities, we forgot to know the other medicinal value of this plant. Yes, Lawsonia innamis is a well-known ethno-medicinal plant used cosmetically and medicinally over 9,000 years. Yes, 9,000 years. This is one of the oldest and traditional recreative cosmetic preparation done by our Indians. Behind each and every activity of our ancestor, there is a purpose, there is a truth we need to know. If you might have noticed in your homes that your grannies used to tell a lot of things that we are following as our culture. Likewise, henna is also our culture, but still now we are using this plant only for grooming purpose. Other than that, we know nothing about it. But today, I'm gonna give that magic it has. Yeah. This Lawsonia innamis has antiviral, antibacterial, antifungal, wound healing properties. So during those days, our ancestors used this plant to treat many human body disorders. In that case, first one is the sore throat. If you're suffering from sore throat, drink the decoction of this plant and you'll get a clear throat. Preparation of decoction is not a difficult one. Boil a glass of water, put a handful of henna leaves in it, and add a pinch of turmeric and add a tablespoon of jeera in it. Let it boil and let it cool and filter it and have the drink. That's it. You can get a clear throat. The second one is the liver disorder. Liver disorder like jaundice or liver enlargement can also be treated by using this plant. Of course, there are prescribed procedure, prescribed dosage for it. You should consult an Ayurvedic doctor if you're looking for it. Third one is the baldness. From the ancient days till now, we are making essential oils from henna. Why? Because it has antibacterial and antifungal property, so that if you apply this oil daily, you can get rid of dandruff problem as well as you can treat the premature graying of hair. Fourth one is women disorders. Women disorders in the sense many is in there. The first one is before the menstrual cycle, certain girls suffer from mood swing problem. This is due to the excessive heat present in their body, leads to get over temper, over emotional. So if you apply the paste of this leaf in your palm, you can cool your blood circulation so that your mood swings will be controlled up to some extent. Additional to this, if you have this leaf internally as a food or a drink or powder form, you can treat that white discharge problem. Many girls suffering from white discharge problem, you can get rid of it, but before that you should consult an Ayurvedic doctor. Then fifth one is, I forgot that fifth one, split nails. Many people suffered from split nails. Split nails is due to excessive moisture, due to an accident, due to psoriasis. So many reasons are there. But if you're suffering from any injury, if you're suffering from this split nails due to any accident or injury, you can treat this nail by using the paste of this leaf. Just apply the paste of the henna leaf on a particular area on a regular basis. You could see that results in 1 or 2 months itself. Yeah, this is true. I have seen that real proof in my life experience. Yeah. Then color of your palm after applying this leaf paste will reflect the toxicity in your body. But our elders, during our marriage functions, our elders used to say that the color of this mehendi will reflect the love that you have on your husband or the love that your husband has on you. It's not like that. It's just for a fun part. The original reason behind this thing is that it will express the toxicity present in your body. It will called as like pitta dosha in Hindi and pittam in Tamil. Every morning some certain people used to have that yellow colored liquid vomit while brushing. No solid substance will be there, only the liquid content. It will be in yellow color. That is called pitta dosha or pitta. This is a toxin present in your body. After doing all those work, metabolic activities, your body system will produce lots of toxins. You need to flush out those toxins from your body by hydrating yourself. If you forgot to do that, the level of toxicity will get increased and it will automatically increase your whole body temperature. It will reflect this color. If you see my palm, it is not too red, too brownish, dark, not like that. It means that the toxin present in your body is in normal state. You are just flushing out it daily. If it turns too red, too brownish in that way, it means that the toxin present in your body is very high. You need to focus on it. From the ancient times till now, we are using this plant as a hair dye. I am particularly talking about that original henna which will give that reddish brown color. I'm not talking about the black henna which has the chemical component in it. I'm not talking about that. This is original henna. Because our ancestors during that days they have used this plant to color their hair, because it has that antibacterial and antifungal property which will help your scalp to get hydrate themselves, to get free from all those bacteria and fungus, and it will naturally color your hair. And also it will reduce that whole body temperature by applying the paste over your head. Not only you leaves, you can also the paste of the henna plant flower, you can also use that flower paste also. This is the last one. During those days, our ancestors used this plant to treat sleeplessness. People who are all suffering from sleeplessness will get sleep easily without having any sleeping pills. By how? Before we go to bed, just take a kerchief or a piece of cloth, put a handful of henna flower in it and just tie it and put it in your pillow. The fragrance from this flower will calm your body and it will induce the sleep. So you can get a healthy, nice sleep without having a sleeping pill. How is it? Good now? These are the few medicinal values of Lawsonia enormis. I hope you like this video. Do subscribe